Walk slowly. Kunwari ikaw ay isang diwata na naglalakad sa isang magandang. Alright. So once again, a big round of applause to Althea. Napakaganda naman ang ating dedication for this evening. Wala po bang mas malakas pong palakpakan dyan? Yes! And to formally open our program, of course, wag pa muna uupo kasi may I request everyone to please stand as we formally open our program. Let's put ourselves in the presence of the Lord for our opening prayer to be led by Kuya Christian.
Dear Heavenly Father, on this joyous occasion of Ate Thea's 18th birthday, we gather with gratitude in our hearts. Bless this celebration with love, laughter, and memories that will last a lifetime. May Ate Thea continue to grow in wisdom, strength, and grace. Guide and protect her on this journey of adulthood. May her path be filled with joy, success, and fulfillment. Amen.
Amen. And for our opening remarks, may I request Mommy and Daddy to please join us here. Dito po tayo. Ayan. To welcome po lahat ng mga guests natin tonight. Daddy, ayan. The mic is yours.
Pwede na po muna kayong upo.
Ayan, okay. Umupo muna po tayong lahat.
Okay, welcome to the celebration of my daughter, Althea. Please enjoy the evening. Sabi nga sa prayer, no? Let's pull this event celebration with memories and fun. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, Daddy and Mommy. Si Ma'am. Oh, sige, si Mommy. Welcome all to joining us to celebrate 18th birthday of our dear daughter, Althea. Thank you so much, Mommy and Daddy. Ayan, pwede na po maupo. Ayan naman po, nakita niyo na po kasi ang ganda po si Althea, di ba? Nandiyan si Mommy and Daddy. And Althea, pwede ka na muna umupo. Moving on, syempre sa celebration natin. But with that, I just want to welcome everyone here in Rainbow Grand Terrace because we have 3 G's for all of you tonight. So for our first G is great time. Lahat po tayo ay mag-enjoy lang po ngayong gabi. Palakpakan naman po ang lahat. So we will all enjoy this night as we celebrate nga po ang 18th birthday ni Althea. And for our second G, kaya po kay Althea, so please po, huwag niyo po siyang iiwan habang wala pa po yung the next na magkasayaw sa kanya. Okay? Medrano, ayan si Kuya. DJ, music please. Ay, ang sweet naman ng magkapatid. Balwari muna hindi kayo nag-aaway. Ayan, kaya nga na nasabi namin, Kuya Aries, huwag mo munang iiwan ang ating debutant natin. Next on my list, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Christian Ramos. Walang tama naman for, sabi ko nga sa'yo, Kuya, huwag mo na iiwan eh. Diba? Doon pa siya dadaan. Very good naman si Kishon. Kishon, wag mong gagayahin si Kuya Aris, ha?
I still feel the same, especially for you. I wanna tell you I'm feeling that way too. And the dreams will wings, you know, whatever.
Next on my list, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. JB Medrano. Wow, madaming fans si JB. Diyan ka lang muna, Kuya. Thank you very much, At tingin daw kayo dun sa ano. Wow! Another rose presenter, let's give it up for Rain Medrano. Stay ka lang dyan, kuya. Where's Rain? Asan po si Rain Medrano? Oh, wait lang daw. On the way na daw si Rain. Nandun na siya sa may Vikas. Ay, ayan. May proxy na. Ayan na si ano. Proxy for Rain. Palakpakan naman na balakas. Wow! Sabi na nga lang, bisita lang ako. Sabi pala ako sa program. Another rose presenter, let's give it up for Aaron Medrano. Palakpakan naman, ayan po yung mga pinsan po, si Althea. Let's have Arciden Medrano. Ang daming pa si Arciden. Another rose presenter, let's give it up for Mr. Jeffrey Ramos.
this way. She's just like paper, the heart of me. My enemy.
Thank you very much. Next on my list, let's give it up for Mr. Chuck Brandon.
Let's play just me. With bad in mind, it was meant to be. And I'm joining up the dots with the freckles on your cheeks. And it all makes sense to me. I know you've never loved the crinkles by your eyes when you
Next is
cry.
Mr. Neil Mangarin. Palakpakan naman po.
The dimples in your back at the bottom of your spine, but I love them endlessly. I won't let these little things. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away. Call me baby if you need.
Thank you very much. Another rose presenter. Let's give it up for Briar Lumawig. Palakpakan naman natin si Briar. Ay, she's a girl. Wow.
If all things are time, time will reveal. Yeah, you're like a dream come true.
Next on my list, let's give it up for Dwayne. Hey! Ang lakas ng palakpakan para kay Dwayne.
Take my hand, take a breath, pull me close, and take one step. Keep your eyes alive on mine, and let the music be your design.
Want you
Thank you so much. And of course, last but not the least, to complete our 18 roses, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Daddy RC Aris Medrano. Wow, bouquet of red roses from Daddy.
And that's when my mother let me in. Spin me around till I fell asleep. Then I could swear she would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved.
Once again, a big round of applause to Daddy and Althea.
Another dance with him. I play a song that I wouldn't dare. How I love to dance with my father.
So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, Althea and Daddy Aris for the daughter and father dance. So let's give a big round of applause to everyone. Ayan ang sayo kay Althea. And I request all the gentlemen na kasali sa ating 18 process to please join Althea dito sa stage for your group picture case. Ayan, ako na mga nagsayaw po kay Althea. Lahat na kasali sa ating 18 roses, please join her.
Never dreamed that he would become what he is. One final word, one final dance with him. I play a song that we never understand. 'Cause I'm in love, dance with my father.
Make sure po na makikita ang mga kagwapuhan ninyo, ha? Pwede po sa likod yung iba. Kung gusto nyo po, pwede rin naman po dun sa baba.
I feel how much love for you. I pray for every blessing. I pray for every blessing.
Closer! Thank you very much, all the gentlemen. Moving forward to our next.
First of all, happy birthday, babe. Happy Legality. I hope that from now on, you continue to live your life to the no nonsense rather, kasi tuwing sa'yo ni papapasa yung activities, laging parang may sama ng loob pag nagre-reply, parang labag sa kalooban mo mag-reply, gano'n. Pero buti na lang makakalimutin ako, kaya nakalimutan ko yung impression na yun, kaya in-approach pa rin kita nung first day of school nung FTF nung grade 10. And fortunately, nag-remain yung friendship natin till this day. We know your struggles academically very well, and even if sometimes mabagal kami mag-reply, or hindi namin nasisin yung message mo, I wish na hindi ka pa rin mahihiya mag-open up sa amin para matanggal rin yung burden mo in the least way possible. Hindi kami magsasawang makinig sa rants mo, te. Kahit hindi natutuloy yung mga plano natin na gala due to busy schedule, I hope na makagala tayo for the last time together as senior high school students. Kasi magiging busy na tayo soon sa college, so set na test ba gusto mo. I just hope na mag-continue yung friendship natin hanggang ma-reach na natin yung dreams natin. I hope na we'll continue to celebrate your birthday for the next decades together as well. Yun lang, happy birthday ulit, babes. Love you sa baby girl ko.
Thank you very much, ayan si Reza. Thank you sa short message mo, ha? Hindi ba short? Okay, picture muna with Althea. Paki-remove na lang yung mask if ever kung gusto mo makita ang kagandahan mo. So, ayaw daw niya. There you go, picture muna with Althea. Next on my list, ladies and gentlemen, lovely Iligan.
Hi, babe. Happy legal age. Ang bilis ng panahon, parang dati lang yung pakita kay Ligato. Isa pa ako sa mga classmates mong pabigat. I didn't even imagine na magiging best friend tayo, na dahil sa chismis, tumatag yung friendship natin tatlo. Gusto ko pa sana ng more study days together, but sad to say, this is our last year na magka-schoolmates. I know you've been through a lot, lalo na sa school natin right now. Always remember that we're always here for you. Reza and I will always willing to listen to your rants, kahit minsan sobrang busy namin. Don't be afraid to open up what you feel. Bangha ako sa tatag ng kalooban mo, dahil ang daming struggles na luwaan sa life mo. Pero ayan, nagpapakatatag ka pa rin and stayable. Magsabi ka lang sa amin ni Reza, bibigutan ka agad namin yan. Happy, happy birthday, my love. Enjoy your legal age. Don't pressure yourself too much. I love you so much, Lucy.
Thank you so much, lovely. Picture muna with Andrea. Next candle presenter, palakpakan naman ng malakas for Christina Ongada. Ang
Happiest birthday, Althea May. You know na hindi tayo yung type na mahilig mag-show ng affection sa isa't isa. Kasi yung love language natin is bullying. Pero, to be honest, I'm really grateful na we've been friends dahil sa seating arrangement ni Sir Fred. And thank you for being a shoulder and a listener nung times na nasa lowest point ako ng buhay ko. And we know na mahirap ang adulting, pero always remember na we're here for you. Let's reach our dreams with each other's path. I love you so much.
Oh, ang sweet naman. Thank you very much, Christina. Picture muna with Althea. Next, let's give it up.
Happiest birthday, Laude. You are now in legal age, and I know na this is another stepping stone for you. Ang dami nang maganap sa buhay mo, especially sa friendship natin. And I just wanna tell you na I'm so grateful to have you as one of my best friends. You're always there whenever we need a shoulder to lean on. And you'll always give the best advice. I hope you reach all of your dreams. And remember that I am here together with our friends, rooting for you always. Good luck on your journey as a grown-up. And again, happy legality, my love.
Oh, ang sweet naman ni Arian. Thank you very much, Arian. Next is Mrs. Rosie Grace Medrano Nino. Ayan. So, phone touch po siya. So, pakinggan mo na lang. Ay, ano natin yung microphone.
Hello! Hindi kita makita. Hello, happy birthday! Ang ganda-ganda mo. Wish ko sa'yo, pagpatuloy mo lang yung magandang nagawa mo sa pag-aaral mo, Margaritita, at saka maghanap ka ng boyfriend.
Supporting
Happy
you.
birthday! Happy birthday!
Thank you very much, Tita Rosie. Palakpakan naman po ng malakas for Tita Rosie. Next candle po is, ladies and gentlemen, Shim Vasquez. Palakpakan naman for Shim.
To our debutant, Miss Althea Lauder. Happy legality, Madam. I wish you the best of luck as you pursue your dreams. I wish you success as you work to reach your goal. I wish you a healthy, happy, and contented life as you grow through life. I hope you achieve all of your ambitions and desires. I am forever honored to be your friend, classmate, and kachismisan. Always remember, Madam, that I am always accessible if you need an advice, a shoulder to cry on, or a friend to celebrate your accomplishments with. Enjoy your day as you celebrate your first day as an adult with your loved ones. Again, happy birthday, my slayable friend, Althea Laude.
Thank you very much. Ayan, napaka-sweet naman. Next is Cherry Del and Retita.
Thank you sa pag-invite. You're already in your legal age, and I'm congratulating you for making it. I'm really grateful and thankful to have you as my friend or maging isa sa mga kaibigan mo. Always know that we're always here for you and alam mo yan. I'm wishing you a blessed and endless happiness and a bright future ahead. Happy 18th birthday.
Thank you so much, Jerry. Picture muna with Althea. Another candle presenter. Let's give it up for Karil Gaston.
Hello, Thea. First of all, happy 18th birthday, Thea. As you achieve your new chapter in life, lagi mong tatandaan na we're always here for you. Always do what makes you happy. And I know adulthood is full of unexpected happening, but always enjoy as you grow up and fulfill your dreams in life. Thea, padayon our future psychology, and don't forget to slay every day.
Thank you very much. Ayan. Ayan. Thank you so much, Karil. Picture muna. Next is Jana Erica Reyes.
Hi, Thea. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo stay pretty and slayable. Siyempre, good health. And sana i-enjoy mo tong gabi mo. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Ayan. Thank you very much. Picture taking muna ba Althea? Isa pa daw na picture.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Thea. Legal age ka na. Naalala ko pa noong bata pa tayo. Ikaw yung lagi ko nakakalala ng bars. Ang wish ko lang para sa'yo ay matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa life. Thank you rin kasi ikaw yung maalalay sa akin ng grade 7 pa ako. Happy birthday ulit, Ate Thea.
Wow, thank you very much, Gracia. Ayan, picture muna with Althea. Next is Jeffrey Medrano.
Perfect. Hello. Happy birthday to you. Actually, ang ganda mo today. Perfect yung gown na napili mo. Sana ma-enjoy mo ngayong gabi. Tsaka good luck sa journey mo moving forward. Lalo na sa adulthood.
Thank you very much, Jeffrey. Picture mo na with Althea. Another candle presenter. Let's give it up for Rosie Grace. Ano tawag na nga ata si Tita Rosie Grace? Yeah. Alright, next is Miss Darlene Canarua. May Rosie Grace pala talaga na nandito. Alright, may I call on once again Rosie Grace Medrano. Sorry po, akala ko kanina yung si Tita Rosie. Okay, so may Rosie pala talaga pag isa.
Hi, Thea. It's been a while. Wow. Wow. Sobrang ganda mo today. Tonight. What? Ayun lang, happy birthday and sana ma-enjoy mo yung gabing to. Kasi for you to. For you, yeah. Sa'yo tong gabing to. Gabing-gabi mo to. Ayan, happy birthday and patuloy lang. Tahakin mo lang yung mga gusto mong gawin. Ayan. Nasa edad ka na, 18 ka na, and then lumalaki ka, napakaganda. Ay, wow! Ayan, happy birthday and thank you for inviting me.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Ayan, Ate Rosie, picture muna with Althea. Next is Miss Darlene Canarwa. Palakpakan naman po kay Miss Darlene. Wala. Next po ay si Miss Corinne. Okay, wala pa si Miss Corinne. Miss Grisela Ramos. Andito na ba si Miss Grisela? Ay, andito po ang ating camera.
Okay, hi Thea. Bongga to. Magbibigay ako ng acronym sa Althea. Letter A, always bungis-ngis. Even before, nag-throw back ako ng mga pictures natin before, and kinompare ko yung picture mo dati sa ngayon, parehas pa rin pag nag-i-smile. And gustong-gusto ko lagi yung dimples mo under your eyes. Next is letter L, laging late. Pero always is playable. Tuwing may gala tayo tatlo yung palaging late, pero palagi namang bongga yung outfits natin. Next, letter T, thoughtful. Kapag may pagkain or new things ka, you always share to us. Di ko alam kung sa amin dalawa lang yun ni Ate Iya, pero nag-share ka sa amin. Letter H, hearty. Kahit minsan masungit, alam naman namin na palagi ka pa rin nakikare sa amin. Next, letter E, eager. Alam ko naman na ma-achieve mo lahat ng dreams and goals mo. Sana maging psychologist ka. And letter A, admirable. Ngayon, super ganda mo. Sobrang bet ko yung gown mo. And bagay sa'yo yung headpiece mo. Yun. Happy birthday, Tayangge namin. I love you.
Wow, thank you so much. Ayan, si Corinne. Ay, sorry, si Priscilla. Priscilla, picture muna with Althea. Next is Miss Bess Cabrodilla. Andito po si Miss Bess. Wala po. Next is Miss Eureka Aiko Medrano. Palakpakan naman po kay Ate Eureka.
Sabi ni IC, mas bongga daw yung kanya. Ito sa akin, mas bongga to. Pinag-isipan ko to.
Kabahan ka na daw.
Isang linggo. So, ayan. I want to wish you a happy birthday. May this new chapter of your life be filled with many blessings, love, and laughter. Uy, hindi ah. I hope that your dreams come true and that you find joy in every moment. Remember that you are loved and valued. And grabe naman kayo sa akin. Hindi na ka-chat GPT to. Galing to sa akin, no? Galing to sa puso ko. Tataas! Ayoko na nga. Remember that you are loved and valued and that you have many wonderful adventures ahead of you. Wishing you a beautiful year ahead filled with endless joy. Happy birthday. Pero mas maganda pa rin ako sa'yo.
Thank you so much, Ate Eureka. Ayaw pa kabog ni Ate. Next is Jonathan Ramos. Palakpakan naman for Jonathan Ramos. Nandito ba siya?
Sa pamangkin ko, huwag masyadong gaway kayo magkakapatid. Sana hindi masyadong kain.
Ayan. Thank you so much, Tito. Ayan. Message si Tito. Picture muna with Althea. Next is Miss Amy. Amy Gomez. Palakpakan naman for Miss Amy Gomez. Andito po ba siya? Andito po. Nagtatago. Joke lang. Hi, Ma'am Amy. Nagulat si Ma'am Ivy. 2 beses po kayo tatawagin, mamaya. Hindi, joke lang. Ma'am, ito po yung candle.
Happy 18th birthday. Ang wish namin sa iyo ay mas maging ano ka pa, good girl. Welcome to adulthood. At ano pa Sir Aris? Maging mabuting anak pa. Okay? So nawa ay lahat ng wishes mo ay natupad.
Thank you so much, Tita. Ayan, picture taking muna with Althea. Next is Miss Rochelle Ramoso. Andito rin si Ma'am Rochelle. Ayan. Thank you so much for coming. Next is si Ma'am Rochelle.
Ayan po. So, una, thank you na-invite ako. Grade 7, nung maging estudyante ko si Althea, ako yung kanyang advisor yung grade 7. And naalala ko na tahimik siya as a student kasi syempre grade 7, medyo nag-a-adjust pa lang yan sa pagiging high school. Pero matapang din kasi nung buwan ng wika, kung naalala mo, di ba, ito yung naging representative namin, no, na sumali din sa contest ng buwan ng wika. So, wish you all the best. And yun na nga, sana lahat ng gusto mo ay makamit mo. Lalo na yung pagtatapos ng pag-aaral, no? Para sa'yo at para sa mga parents mo. Okay? So, happy birthday and good luck. Okay?
Thank you so much. Ma'am Rochelle, picture muna po with Althea. And of course, last but not the least, to complete our 18 candles, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Mommy Christina. Palapakan naman for a beautiful mom po na ating debutant for tonight. O, diba? Ang ganda ni Mommy.
Anak, I'm thankful and happy on your 18th birthday. Naalala ko pa kasi halos nung hindi ka hawakan nila dahil sa sobrang liit mo. Kasi nga pinanganak ka ng 7 months old lang. So, ngayon, tingnan mo naman, mas matangkad ka pa sa akin. And napakaganda mo ngayon, anak. I hope na on your new journey ay be strong enough para lahat ng mga circumstances and problems ay mapagtagumpayan mo, anak. We always love you. Happy birthday.
Alright, thank you so much, Mommy Christina. Palakpakan naman po for Mommy Christina. Sabi nga niya, nung pinanganak daw siya, aliit-liit lang niya. Pero ngayon, diba, mas matangkat pa daw siya kay Mommy. Of course, dahil sobrang galing din po mag-alaga ni Mommy and Daddy. Tama po ba? Ayan. So, may I request all the 18 candles natin pumunta po sa stage for your group picture taking. Lahat po ng mga nag-light ng candles at nagbigay ng wish to Althea po ay punta na po kayo sa stage. Thank you very much. Ayan, picture muna. Make sure po makikita ang mga kagandahan, ang mga beauty ninyo. Ayan, thank you so much, girls, for taking time to be here and to celebrate ang birthday po ni Althea. Grabe, ang saya po ngayon ni Althea and her family na makita po andito yung mga supportive and loving friends of Althea. Diba? Wow! There you go. Thank you very much. May I request everyone and Althea to please go to your cake table for the blowing of your birthday candle. Ayan. Ayun, may I request everyone to please stand. Ayan po, para sa ating blowing of candles. Sabay-sabay po tayong kumanta ng malakas at masigla na happy birthday. Okay? Mommy and Daddy, pwede po kayo dito para to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. There you have it, Althea Baker Whispers. And if you're ready, pwede mo na may blow ang iyong birthday candle. There you have it! Palakpakan naman po ng malakas for Althea. Thank you very much, Mommy and Daddy. Ayan, napo ka muna, Althea. I know everyone is very ready and excited for the next part of our celebration. Sino dito ang nagugutom na? Wala pa na nagugutom, mamaya na kaya tayo kumain. Alright. Okay. So, as part of our celebration, syempre hindi mawawala ang ating dinner time. But before that, ganito po ang magiging arrangement natin para sa pagpunta sa ating buffet area. So, ayan sa likod po yung iba para makita po kayo sa... Ayan, habang nagpapapicture po sila, be ready na po ang next na sasagutin niyo po question.
One more. Okay, closer, closer. Ready, 1, 2. Okay, walking. Okay.
Eto, marami pong pagpipilian dito, pero sana po masagot niyo po. Medyo mahirap. Ay! 0968. Eto. Okay, 0968. Sino yun? 790-5134, ate! Okay, congratulations. Ang answer niya ay si... Parang may nabasa ako. Tama yung answer niya. Ay, ang dami. Alam mo lahat, ate ka talaga. So, ate, kaninong table mo ipapass yung right answer? Table? Kanino mo gustong ipass yung answer mo? Ate, table! Ay, sorry, ma'am. Sa table nila, teacher. Ayan, hi, teacher. Kayo po yung next na magpapapicture. Thank you so much, ate. Siguro si ate palagi niya naririnig sa kwarto po ni Althea yung music na yun. Kaya alam na alam talaga niya. Next question. Eto, madali-dali po to. What is Althea's nickname? Eto, pag hindi nyo pa po nasagot ha. What is Althea's nickname? Ano po ang nickname? May nagsagot na ba? Number is 0931-869-8681. Her answer is Thea. Naku, kung hindi ka pa naman tama eh. Tama! Kanino number yon? Yung 0931-869-8681. Ayan, ma'am, sir, pwede na po kayo pumila sa ating buffet area.
Tayo po yung table niyo.
so much. Picture taking na yung ating mga magagandang guest. Ayan, sama na po kayo dito sa dalawa. Enjoy your dinner, everyone! And mamaya meron pa po tayong 18 blue bills and
Okay, ready? 1, 2.
18 treasures. So, mamaya po, abangan po natin yan, yung mga magbibigay ng special gifts to Althea. And of course, yung pinaka gusto matanggap ng iba dito, ang ating 18 blue bills. Yeah! Maganda naman din ang Althea. Wow! There you have it. Ayan po ang second look. Mas maganda po ba? Diba? Maganda. Use it for your for your makeup. Ay! Nako, pampadagdag collection. So, yun daw.
Dear Thea, happy 18th birthday. You are now a lady. Please magpakabait ka at huwag nang magsungit. I'm sure itong ibibigay ko sa'yo ay pandagdag mo sa iyong makeup collection.
Oh!
Huwag ka magpapaskam sa iyong ate Iya.
May nag-react, ate.
Ayan. Love, Tita Rose Ann.
Thank you, Tita Rose Ann. Ayan, napaka-supportive talaga ni Tita, ha? Pagdagdag daw sa kanyang makeup collection. Picture muna po. Next, Bluebell presenter is... Ano po ito? Orabella. Ma'am Orabella Love Ilagan. Palakpakan naman po. I'll give it to Ate Althea na.
Ayan. Pang ano yan? Pang Jollibee. First date Jollibee.
Wow! Thank you so much. Ayan, Tita Orabella, picture taking with Althea. Next is Tita Maggie Ramos. Andito po ba Tita Maggie? Palakpakan naman na malakas.
Enjoy your day and I wish you success in your endeavors. For every challenges, be more courageous and have more faith. Happy birthday! I-check out mo na yung naka-add to cart mo.
Apaka-supportive naman talagang tita. Add to cart na daw. I-check out na. Yes, thank you so much. Next is Tito Angelito Juanites. Andito ba si Tito Angelito?
Happy birthday.
Parang kinapos pa sa eyelashes, pandagdag. Okay, so Althea, ayan, picture muna with tita. Thank you so much. Ayan po, maraming po salamat. Next is Tita Josa Alcantara.
Siyempre dahil Diyosa ako, pampaganda.
Yes, Papa Josa.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Tita Josa. O, diba? Ang daming supporting sa kanyang pagpapabeauty. Another Google presenter ay si Tita Rosie Grace Medrano. Ay, yung kanina. O, buksan mo daw, Tay. Basahin mo daw.
Perfect! Microphone, please. Ito.
May this year bring you endless you, incredible adventures, and success in all your enjoy your happy birthday, Thea, from Nanay, Tito Arthur, Aaron, Green, Gigi, Arsenal, Ate Mar, Tita Marisa. Happy 18th birthday, Thea. You have the power to create a beautiful story with your life. Believe in yourself. Allow your dream. I love you. Love, Tita Rose.
Wow, palapakan naman malakas for Nanay Ninita, Tita Rosie, and yung mga kasama na binasa po ni Althea na galing po ang kanyang money pulling.
Ayan, ito kulay blue talaga. Labas pala.
Labas pala.
Gastusin mo sa ice cream. Sa paborito mo. So, siguro, bahala ka na kung anong gusto mong gawin at gamitin. Okay?
Yes, thank you so much, Tita Rochelle. Ay, Ma'am Rochelle, picture muna with Althea. And next is Tito Juan Paulo Siva. Andito po ba si Tito? Palakpakan naman naman malakas. Joke lang po. Okay, sir. Para saan niyo po gustong gamitin ni Althea yung gift niya po?
Ito, whatever your heart desire, ikaw na ang bahala.
Wow!
Happy birthday, syempre. And gusto ko lang i-take yung opportunity. Hindi naman tayo masyadong nagkakilala. Pero I know that you were always loved, especially by your family. And when the world turns it back on you, remember na ang tatanggap sa'yo walang iba kundi ang pamilya mo. At doon ka babalik. Kaya mahalin mong nanay at tatay at ang buong pamilya. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Tito Juan. Napaka-ano naman ni Tito Juan. Katouch naman yung message. Picture muna po with Althea. Meron pa po ba ang habol o bigay ang kanilang gift to Althea? Meron pa po ba?
Ma'am, umaangal. Kuya, umaangal. Di ka na pumunta sa birthday niya.
Ay, Ma'am Michelle. Ato, nandito po si Ma'am Michelle. Okay,
Pangit
Ma'am
lang.
Michelle.
Yung iba na kay Kuya Aris na po.
Ayan pala. Buti na lang.
Happy birthday, Thea. Itong bibigay namin sa iyo, Tita Tess, ay gagamitin natin pag-travel.
Wow!
Ano yun, diba? Ililibre mo ako. Ano yung ililibre mo din ako. Baka gusto mong sumama sa amin, sa Baguio.
Wow!
So, happy birthday! Kasama din daw si Tita Rose Ann. Siya nang bahala sa ating accommodation. Kasama din daw natin si Crisella Cruz. Yan, kasama daw natin sa lahat. So, happy birthday again. Lumaki kang mapait. At huwag ka munang mag-asawa, ha? Yun lang.
Gawa mo na daw.
Ako daw ba muna? Sige, mamaya ako na paglabas namin meron na yan.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Michelle. Ayan. Pang-travel daw. Saan kaya aabot ang pang-travel ni Althea? Galing kay Tita Michelle. Next po ay si Tita Aimee. Tama po?
Be blessed always. Kasi you have a wonderful family. Pang-samgyup mo.
Wow! Thank you so much, Tita Aimee. May pang-samgyup na po si Althea. Ilan daw po isasama niya, Tita? Ayan. Thank you so much. Ayan, no? Smile nga po. Yung hindi halatang nabawasan ng mga wallet ninyo. 1, 2, 3, smile. One more. Closer po. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Moving on na po tayo sa ating 18th track. A picture. Thank you so much. Ayan, pakabigay na ate. Next, I see Miss Ella Medrano. Palakpakan naman for Miss Ella. Wow, favorite color ni Althea.
Ay, kukunin.
Hindi na daw niya binalot kasi yayakapin mo na daw agad.
Kukunin na ate yan.
Okay, baby. Next is, ayan, Kervin Ramos. Kervin. Next is Jezreel Santiago. Palakpakan naman for Jezreel. Kuya Jezreel. Oh!
Trigan.
Ano daw? Pogi naman. Next is Lovely Iliga. Ay, Miss Lovely. Ayan. Thank you, Lovely. Next is Reza Supangan. Ang mga BFF mo yan ni BFF ni Althea. Next is Miss Astrid Bacunio. Oh, dalawa yung gift niya. Another gift presenter is Miss Hannah Bonifacio. Thank you so much. Next is Miss Hilary Bonifacio. Palapakan naman for Hilary. Thank you very much, Hilary. Next is Yasmin Braganaza. Next is Miss Melfe Alvarez. Next is Angeline Talagtag. Miss Angeline Talagtag, ayan. Thank you so much. Next is Joy Pacek. Next is Miss Marisa Medrano. Marisa, ayan, nandito po ba? Next is Ivy Medrano. Lumabas.
Kunin mo muna isa.
And of course, last but not the least, to complete our 18 treasures, let's give it up for Eureka Aiko Medrano, the beloved sister of Althea. Wow! Support ni ate. Ang kanyang self-love, ano ba yan? Yung mga pang-makeup. Wow! Ang sweet naman, mag-ate.
Kasi ikaw rin gagamit yan eh.
Ano, nagpa-picture lang para gagamit din daw si ate. Thank you so much, ate, and to all our 18 gift presenters. Wala na yan. Ayan, tingin po kayo sa ating official photographer.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
One more. Closer.
Closer po.
Okay.
Thank you very much once again, everyone, for sharing your gifts to Althea.
Thank you po sa lahat ng pumunta. Tapos yung mga friends ko na kahit may klase, pumunta pa rin. Thank you so much. Love you all!
Ayan, so dahil kanina, ang tawag dito, nagbigay ng si Mommy, si Daddy. Ay si Mommy naman bibigay ng message to everyone. Tapos si Althea, anong message mo to your Mommy and Daddy? Okay, Mommy, paiyakin ka muna namin ulit. Hindi, joke lang. Nabigay mo naman na yung message mo kanina, pero yung thank you message to everyone na rin po. Ito po yung mic, Mommy.
Sa lahat po na nagpunta, nakisa sa birthday ng aking anak na si Althea. Maraming salamat po. And may God bless us all. Thank you.
Althea, your message to your mommy and daddy and to your family sa pagbibigay sa'yo ng ganitong kasayang party.
First of all, Mommy, Daddy, thank you. Kahit nung sinabi ko na gusto ko mag-debut. Rush siya, tapos ginuloy niyo pa rin yung debut ko. Thank you. Sa pagsuporta sa mga gusto ko, yung gusto ko rin course, so, pakamahal. Pakamahal ng ko. So, thank you sa lahat. Love you.
Ay, thank you so much, Althea, at sa mga pumunta. Daddy, any pahabol na message to Althea? Message to Althea.
Malaki ka na, huwag maging masungit, laging makikinig. Kasi kapag marunong ka makinig, lahat magagawa mo ng tama.
Thank you so much, Daddy. Sound system, photo and video coverage, lights and sounds, and yung ating photo booth and the coordinator na Elite na nag-ano po ng party nito, na organize ng party na to. And of course, to Mr. and Mrs. Medrano for having Rainbow Grand Terrace and me as your host. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope you all enjoy the night. God bless po at mag-party-party pa po tayo.